Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta easily and tasty. Begin by bringing a large pot of heavily salted water to a rolling boil, then add pasta and stir occasionally to prevent sticking. While pasta cooks, prepare a simple sauce using garlic, olive oil, canned tomatoes, or butter and cheese, and reserve pasta water to adjust sauce consistency before combining everything and finishing with fresh herbs immediately. Start with quality pasta, olive oil, garlic, canned tomatoes, or cream, butter, and grated cheese. Keep simple pantry staples on hand. Use a large pot, colander, skillet, wooden spoon, and measuring tools to stay organized. Taste and adjust salt, acidity, and texture with reserved pasta water for a silky sauce. Finish with fresh herbs and a squeeze of lemon for brightness. Plate with care and enjoy your homemade pasta now. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make meal prep simple and keep sauces from spilling in your bag, perfect for leftover pasta and portioning. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so you do not miss future recipes and tips. Check the description for the product link and other deals and find my favorite sizes and sets. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Cook pasta 1 to 2 minutes less than package time for al dente texture, then finish in the sauce for perfect absorption. Toss pasta vigorously with sauce and a splash of reserved pasta water to create an emulsified, glossy coating. Use cheese to add richness and correct salt, add crushed red pepper for heat, and always taste before serving to balance flavors for the best bite. Serve immediately while warm.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.